another of Cooking in Steven's Kitchen channel. Today we'll be making fish sauce. So first we chug our water. Now we're going to clean fish with salt. And I believe we put it in the water. We are trying to get the salt pieces to melt. So you can either mix it with your hand or the big spatula spoon. I call it that. Nope. That's that. So I had just finished cleaning plenty, and I'm now cleaning them. Careful, if you squish it too hard, the gut comes out. But I found this one like this. Kind of creepy, but just ignore that. Done. Now we're gonna let the water soak down into there. And if you want to see how the headless one looks like, here it is. This one's really big. And once we finish cleaning them, we leave them in here for about 20 minutes so that all the water just goes away. 20 minutes. So now I'm gonna put it in the jar. Put the fish in your jar. It doesn't have to be this one. You gotta clean it with warm water. So suggestion, heat it up by yourself. Not get it from the sink because that's not really warm enough. And then put it in. Okay? Once you put in the water, mix it around a bit, clean it, and then let it dump out the water, of course. And then let it dry by itself. So, okay. I have 3 kilograms of fish here. So, I only use 8 grams of salt.
800 grams.
800, sorry, my bad. So first, look in here. You put salt, then you put the fish, then you put more salt, then you put more fish. And you should put the ones with heads in first. Like this one, with his guts spilling out. Don't put too much salt, and make sure you get a bit everywhere. So once you're done, you put the rest, some salt on it, the top, as you can see here. And then you get this plastic bag right here. And then once you put it on, once you push it gently or else it will push it on, then add a bit of salt. The reason that we're covering it with this so that no air can get in and no bacteria can get out. So the bacteria gets in, it gets stuck in, it eats the fish, and that turns into water. And after a year it'll be done, and then you filter everything and blah blah blah, and you know.
Then you have a fish
sauce, yeah. And keep it in room temperature. Don't put it in your freezer, or else the bacteria will die. Nobody wants that. And don't put it in a very hot place because then they will also die. And you don't want that either. So now that I'm done, I cover it with the lid. And then you're done. You wait for a year and then you'll open it. Thanks again for watching Cooking in Steven's Kitchen channel. Don't forget to subscribe.